Hi, I'm Dave from Top10.com. We're here to help make decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring the 10 best options for you every time. Let's talk about PureVPN. PureVPN is one of the big names in VPN services, and it's worked hard to keep its good name. With thousands of servers, wide device compatibility, and multiple logins, PureVPN is fast, reliable, and easy to use. The service also comes with plenty of security-friendly features like kill switch, strong encryption, and split tunneling. No logs, 24/7 support, and a money-back guarantee are nice bows on this well-wrapped gift package. PureVPN is a good contender if you're looking for strong security features. This VPN offers a lot of additional features that protect your anonymity and your safety. So whether you're looking to unblock geo-restrictions, want to lose Big Brother, or just want to stay safe online, PureVPN's golden. PureVPN's one of the bigger players in the VPN game, and yeah, size does matter. The service has more than 6,500 servers globally and locations spread throughout 140 countries. You can see the breakdown on the site, or just search for the most optimal one for you. PureVPN is great if you want to have a family plan or need to have multiple device connections simultaneously. The service allows up to 10 logins with a single account. That's incredible. PureVPN is supported by several devices, including Windows, Macs, Androids, iOS, routers, and smart TVs. Oh, there's also a browser extension. PureVPN doesn't mess around when it comes to security. It uses AES 256-bit encryption to keep all data that goes through its channels secure. How secure is that? Well, it would take a hacker 13.8 billion years to crack into this type of system, so I'd say you're safe. PureVPN is a big fan of the torrent. In fact, using its handy speed test tool, you can figure out precisely which servers to use for the best torrenting experience. You can also use the how-to guides that walk you through the torrenting process. Same goes for unblocking Netflix. PureVPN has good speeds, especially when compared to some VPN competitors out there. What's more, PureVPN offers a neat tool called the speed test tool that helps you see which servers are working the most optimally for you. With 6,500 plus servers around the world, you're going to see speed. PureVPN is loaded with additional features, particularly ones that ensure your privacy and security while online. There's the ever-popular split tunneling and a useful automatic kill switch. PureVPN also has IPv6, DNS, and WebRTC leak protection. Then, of course, there's the gaming, port forwarding, and dedicated IP options. PureVPN has reasonable pricing plans. At $333 per month for a 2-year subscription, PureVPN is on the lower end of average when it comes to pricing. There's a 31-day money-back guarantee, and PureVPN also has a 7-day almost free trial. PureVPN is all about the support, and it gives you plenty of options to get in touch. For one thing, support is available 24/7, so they're always there when you need them. For another, PureVPN can be reached via email and live chat, or you can surf the FAQs. PureVPN has a no-log policy. In fact, the service is KPMG certified to prove it. PureVPN doesn't log anything, including IPs, session timestamps, connection logs, browsing activities, assigned VPN IPs, you name it. PureVPN ticks off all the right boxes for a VPN service. Connections are solidly secure and private, file sharing and geo-restricted content is easily unblocked, and there's a slew of protocols supported. PureVPN has affordable pricing and how-to guides to help you out as well. I hope this video helped you decide whether PureVPN is the right VPN for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.